Let's compare the OnePlus 12 and the Xiaomi 14 Pro, focusing on their display, camera, charging and performance comparison. Hey guys, Mikey from Tech Maiky. Please consider subscribing, turning on the notification by hitting that bell icon for more amazing tech videos. Starting with the price comparison, this time around the OnePlus 12 has been launched at a lower price compared to the Xiaomi 14 Pro with a difference of £100. Moreover, in terms of specs, the OnePlus 12 boasts the higher specifications compared to the Xiaomi 14 Pro. I have uploaded the unboxing and the detailed review video for the both of the Xiaomi 14 Pro and OnePlus 12. You can find the links in the description section below. In this video, I will be comparing both the phones. First of all, looking at the bezels, the Xiaomi 14 Pro has a slightly larger bezels compared to the OnePlus 12. However, both the phones offer the similar eye protection feature. The middle frame of the OnePlus 12 appears slightly slimmer. Here, you will find the frame resembling stainless steel-like look. When compared the back of the phones, the design preference ultimately depends on the personal taste. Personally, I lean towards the Xiaomi 14 Pro for its slightly more professional look. From the performance perspective, both the phones features the same processor, the recently launched Snapdragon 8 Gen 3. Hence, the performance-wise, they are essentially on par. Regarding the screen, the Xiaomi 14 Pro boasts a 2K display, setting it apart in the terms of display resolution. It also comes with the luminescent C8 material, adding to its visual quality. In terms of brightness, the OnePlus 12 offers the higher brightness reaching up to 4500 nits compared to the 3000 nits on the 14 Pro. However, indoor the difference in brightness might not be noticeable. Moving on the camera, battery and charging aspect, here are the major three differences. The OnePlus 12 boasts a significantly improved camera setup this time around. It features a much better and enhanced camera, with the main sensor being the Sony LYT-808. You will notice the differences in the light and shadow handling. Additionally, the Xiaomi 14 Pro comes with the telephoto lens, while the OnePlus 12 features the periscope telephoto lens. I will be showing the photo samples to highlight these differences. Also, I will soon be releasing a camera comparison video of both phones. So subscribe to our channel to join our tech team and be the first to watch that video. When it comes to the fingerprint sensor, the OnePlus boasts a ultra thin fingerprint sensor this time around. In terms of charging support, the Xiaomi 14 Pro offers the 120-watt charging capability, while the OnePlus 12 supports the 100-watt charging, while the wireless charging, which is the same for both. However, the OnePlus 12 has a larger battery capacity of 5400 mAh compared to the Xiaomi 14 Pro. Which phone do you prefer between the Xiaomi 14 Pro and OnePlus 12? Let me know in the comment section below. So, what you guys think about it? Tell us your thought in the comment section below. If you have any questions, also give this video a thumbs up and make sure to share it with your friends. Lastly, subscribe to our channel for more amazing tech videos. Well, me signing off. Thanks for watching. Have a great day and keep smiling.